The cruciferous vegetable cauliflower is one of the versatile veggies. You can make any recipe out of it. Fry them with little spices or make curry. Add them to your soup or with Indo-Chinese flavors. They always taste good. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, the food goodies, and today let's know the health benefits of cauliflower. So here are the 11 reasons to eat cauliflower. Cauliflowers are a great source of vitamin C. They are also rich in vitamin K, protein, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, potassium, phosphorus, fiber, and vitamin B6. Cauliflower are known to support our digestive system. The dietary fiber reduces the inflammation and promotes digestive health. The cauliflower also contains antioxidant properties, which minimizes the cell damage in the body. They also help in detoxification of our body and prevents certain stomach disorders. The vitamin C in the cauliflower stimulates the iron absorption and helps to balance certain hormones in our body. Due to nutrient-dense vegetable, the cauliflower helps to decrease the risk of diabetes and lowers the cholesterol level. Along with the antioxidant properties, the cauliflower also contains anti-inflammatory properties which helps to decrease inflammation and improve overall health and longevity. The vitamin K in the cauliflower is essential for the blood clotting and makes the bones stronger. As described earlier, the cauliflower improves the digestion. They are low in calorie, so they help in the weight loss. Certain nutrients in the cauliflower are known to reduce the blood pressure and regulates the heart function. And finally, the cauliflower boosts the brain health, increases the cardiovascular health, and fights cancer. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food, the food goodies. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay healthy. For health-related articles and everyday recipes, please visit my blog at www.alllitefood.com and connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.